O order ka ba ng mala-alien na lemon? Hello mga bes! It's the grand opening of Order Lemon here at Paseo Center, Makati. And grabe, ang cool ng alien invasion theme. Meron na silang branches in Australia, China, and Hong Kong. They don't use ordinary lemon, but this fragrant lemon. First time ko to try a drink made with this fresh crushed lemon mixed with premium tea leaves. My Tita Heart was so happy with the first sip pa lang. Refreshing at hindi masyadong matamis. These are the drinks that I like so far. The bestseller, Signature Oolong Lemon Tea, hot or iced, perfect after a heavy meal. Forest Jasmine Tea, floral, fragrant, very girly. Mint Leaf Green Tea, super bagay nito kapag mainit or after a run. Peach Oolong Tea, fruity, light, and fun. And the serving super huge, 750 ml and 1.25 liters. Can't wait to try their other drinks as well, like their popping boba drinks and milk teas. So para sa akin, one of the best lemon tea in the universe. And don't forget, order lemon, terlets!